They're finally here. Look at that. The Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarers. We're going to talk about those in a quick unboxing. Maybe we can do almost like a little ASMR. Ah, look at that. Oh, yeah. Ah, look at that. Oh, yeah. All right, so Meta wants you to utilize these on your face. Let's see what's inside. Looks pretty good. The case. There are the glasses. Look at that. Looking good. They feel pretty good, pretty light. Okay, accessories check. So we have the charging case, as you can see there. And the indicator light. We have the glasses. Oh, I love the glasses. They look so good. We have all of your paperwork. Look at that. Safety and warranty, get started. It's almost like, I'm going to deal you some cards here. And also a Ray-Ban cleaning cloth. The only thing I'm surprised we don't have is a USB-C cable for the charger. But I'm sure everybody has some of those sitting around. If not, you can grab one pretty cheap. So here's the case. And we have the glasses. And they're a little snug in there because they're clipped in. And there we go. This is classic Wayfarer shell. But these arms hide secret technology in them, which we'll go over. So there goes the charging port right there. There goes the touchpad and the button and the tiny camera. No spec talk yet. The full review drops next week, so make sure that you stay tuned for that. That magnetic click is like the chef's kiss. So that's the lineup. Simple, sleek, and suspiciously smart. Ready for the real world test? Hit subscribe so you don't miss it.